I've been suffering from a spinal problem which inhibits my movement. Whenever I want to move, it's very painful. And also I had a problem on my neck which was transmitted into my right hand, like electric shock, on my right hand. So with that problem, I visited some hospitals in Nigeria, and they gave me their version of solutions. But my children said they don't have confidence in Nigerian hospitals because of the problems we have. So they started investigating. I think they made use of, is it Google or internet? They tried several countries. They tried Germany, tried Canada, tried several others. They tried Turkey. And of all of them, Turkey was the one responding. They were responding to our inquiries. As soon as we make an inquiry, within 1 or 2 days, they will respond. So we started liking Turkey. The other places, we stay up to a week before we get a response, and we didn't have that kind of patience, we didn't have that kind of time. So the Turkey that was responding fast, we started letting them know my problem and the possible solutions. When they gave us the possible solutions, and the costing, we decided, let us zero in with this hospital. And that's how we made the processes of visa, that's how we made the process of air tickets, and that's how we found ourselves here. I think this was on the 15th of November that we came here. And since then, I don't have any regrets coming here, because I think the decision to come here was a wise one, and I've benefited a lot from it. I don't think any other place could have given me the attention and the commitment which I got here. I'm very happy about your outfit, and I pray that you continue doing that for many more patients who will be coming down to your hospital. The arrangement you put in place is very good. As soon as we got to the Istanbul airport, there was somebody there with a vehicle who brought us down here. As soon as we got here, there was a wheelchair to take me in. Perfect. They took me in. Within a few minutes, I was able to see the doctor, who immediately put in place certain tests which I should do. And within a few seconds, MRI tests, X-ray tests, all those things were done. Surgeries were okay. We went in conscious, but I didn't know what happened again. The next thing I will see myself is a surgery has been done, and I'm beginning to recover from it. That is the best I can describe. I will not say I am completely healed, because I know it will take time to get back myself to what it was. But how I feel now is obviously better than when I came in. I'm satisfied with, especially your meals, breakfast, lunch, and dinner in the hospital. Thank you very much indeed. I appreciate everybody and greet all of them, all those who looked after me. Extend my regards to them. I'll be leaving tomorrow for Nigeria, but we'll be getting in touch, and I'll always be thinking about you. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. Thank you.